Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Infomake APSC. Today, we are tackling one of the most important topics, soil mechanics, for APSC PhD AE exam. For PDF, join our Telegram channel at Infomake APSC. Telegram link provide on comment section. Let's start with first question. Question number 1. Soil in a three-phase system comprises of A. Solids and water only. B. Sand, gravel and air. C. Solids, water and air. D. Solids and air only. So the correct answer is answer C. Question number 2. Depending upon the transporting agency, soils transported by rivers and streams can be termed as A. Aeoline soils. B. Lacustrine soils. C. Alluvial soils. D. Marine soils. So the correct answer is C. Alluvial soil, soil which is deposited from suspension in running water times transported soil times water is the agency times physical weathering times found along the banks of river. Lacustrine soil, it is the soil which is deposited in from suspension in fresh, still water of lake. Marine soil, it is the soil which is deposited from sea water. Aeoline soil, soil which is transported by blowing wind, also known as sand dunes. Question number 3. Which type of soils are formed by decomposition of rock, removal of bases and silica and accumulation of iron oxide and aluminium oxide? A. Desert soils. B. Lateritic soils. C. Black cotton soils. D. Alluvial soils. So the correct answer B. Laterites and laterite soils, laterization mainly due to the decomposition of rock, removal of silica and bases, and accumulation of aluminium oxide and iron oxide. The red, pink or brown color of laterites is mainly due to iron oxide. Black cotton soil. This soil is expansive in nature due to the presence of montmorillonite and illite clay minerals. Times these soil are residual deposits from basalt or trap rocks. Desert soils. These soil are wind-blown deposits, generally present in the form of sand dunes. Alluvial soils, soils deposited by surface water along rivers. Loam, mixture of sand, silt and clay-sized particles approximately in equal properties, sometimes contains organic matter. Bentonite, decomposed volcanic ash containing a high percentage of clay mineral montmorillonite. Question number 3. The water content of a highly organic soil is determined in an oven at a temperature of A. 27 degrees Celsius. B. 60 degrees Celsius. C. 80 degrees Celsius. D. 105 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer B. Oven drying method. The oven drying method is a standard laboratory method. Point: this is very accurate method. Point: the soil sample in container is then dried at a temperature of 105 to 110 degrees Celsius for 24 hours in laboratory. Above 110 Celsius water of crystallization may be lost. Point: for soil containing significant amount of organic matter, a temperature 60 degrees Celsius is recommended. Point: for soil containing significant amount of gypsum, a temperature 80 degrees Celsius is recommended. Question number 4. In a soil sample, the ratio of the volume of water to the volume of voids is known as A. Percentage of air voids. B. Degree of saturation. C. Degree of compaction. D. Degree of consolidation. So the correct answer B. Degree of saturation, S. The degree of saturation, S, is the ratio of the volume of water to the volume of voids. S is equal to VW, VV. The degree of saturation is generally expressed as a percentage. It is equal to 0 when the soil is absolutely dry and 100% when the soil is fully saturated. In expressions, the degree of saturation is used as a decimal. Question number 5. The method used to determine the in situ unit weight of soil is A. Oven drying method. B. Pumping out of well method. C. Plate load test. D. Sand replacement method. So the correct answer D. Method to determine the inside density of soil. Times core cutter method. times sand replacement method, times radiation method, times rubber balloon method, method to determine the density of soil in lab, times water displacement method, times submerged mass density method. Question number 6. The instrument pycnometer is associated with which of the following soil properties? A. Water content or specific gravity. B. Bearing capacity. C. Grain size analysis. D. Field density. So the correct answer, A. Times pycnometer have volume 900 milliliters, having conical brass tip of 6 millimeters diameter core. Times the pycnometer method for the determination of water content can be used only if the specific gravity of solid particles is known. Times it is more suitable for cohesionless soil. Question number 7. The phenomenon of strength loss, strength gain, with no change in volume or water content is called A. Thixotropy. B. Activity. C. Collapsibility. D. Sensitivity. So the correct answer, A. Thixotropy of clay. Times when sensitive clays are used in construction, they lose strength due to remolding during construction operations. Times, however, with passage of time, the strength gain increases, though not to the same original level. Times this phenomenon of strength loss, strength gain, with no change in volume or water content is called thixotropy. Question number 8. At the plastic limit, the soil is friable, easily crushed. The toughness index of the soil is A. Range to 2-3. B. Less than 1. C. Equal to 1. D. Between 1 and 2. So the correct answer, B. Toughness index. IT is defined as the ratio of the plasticity index to the flow index. IT is equal to IP if times toughness index gives us an idea about the shear strength of a soil at plastic limit. Two soils having the same plasticity index value possess toughness, which vary in inverse proportion to their flow index. Times it is, therefore, quite clear that different soils have different shear strengths at plastic limit. Times IT generally lies in the range of 0 to 3 for most soils. Times when IT is less than 1, the soil is friable, easily crushed, at the plastic limit. Question number 9. The most accurate method for the determination of water content in the laboratory is A. Sand bath method. B. Oven drying method. C. Pycnometer method. D. Calcium carbide method. So the correct answer, B. The most accurate method for the determination of water content in the laboratory is oven drying method. Methods of determination of water content. 1. Oven drying method. 2. Pycnometer method. 3. Sand bath method. 4. Torsion balance method. 5. Calcium carbide method or rapid moisture method. 6. Alcohol method. 7. Radiation method. Question number 10. The soil having plastic limit greater than liquid. Limit has the reporting plasticity index, IP. A. 1. B. 0. C. Non-plastic. D. All of the above. So the correct answer, B. When the plastic limit of a soil is greater than the liquid, then the plasticity index is reported as 0. Thank you for watching my video. If you like these video, like and subscribe these channel. Also join our Telegram channel for daily quiz practice. Link provide on comment section. Again, thank you.